The long-term vision for Conforama is to make kitchen planning simple and accessible for everyone. This means a seamless, omni-channel customer journey. HomeByMe from Dassault Systèmes perfectly supports this and fits into the digital transformation of Conforama's kitchen activity. It even accelerates it. Conforama is a multi-specialist brand for home design, furnishings, and decoration, with more than 104 million visits, 28 million in-store, and 76 million online. The biggest change in the kitchen market is the omnipresence of digital technology. Almost half of customer projects start online. We want to simplify the buying journey from the early stages of our clients' projects to the completion of installation. We also want to simplify our salespeople's lives in-store.
Before we used HomeByMe, there was a lot of paperwork. We had to fill out the customer form, print a quote or a purchase order, get it signed, then import the sales Excel spreadsheet to put in the customer's contact details. There was a lot of administrative work, which was a bit of a hassle.
At Conforama, HomeByMe from Dassault Systèmes helps us meet various objectives. For example, the Kitchen Planner is about reconnecting customers and salespeople with a simple and open tool. Prices and projects are transparent in real time. With retail operations, the objective was to equip ourselves with a tool to track and manage our daily activities.
We can access the customer's project on the Conforama.fr website, which allows us to save time by quickly discovering our customer needs. What I like about HomeByMe is the simplicity and the smooth way of creating, shaping a project. And of course, the renderings are exceptional. Thanks to HomeByMe, I am better organized and I'm saving time. So for me, it's a daily assistant.
The real experience begins now. It will involve mastering the tools in daily practice and also supporting the entire change management process.